Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are good and at home with sound. Today we will continue our same topic, that is optimizing website. It is a little bit lengthy topic, students, so we have to learn it in detail. Okay, optimizing website, which we have already started and we have seen in our last 2 lectures that how to optimize your page with SEO page structure. In that we had seen the different types of tags to be used in proper order: title tag, heading tag, and in last lecture, in the previous lecture, we had seen the meta description tag. Okay students, so to move on further, the second way to optimize, the first way I should write that SEO, which we have seen, page structure optimization. There are different ways, students. Okay, the first way we have seen is your SEO page structure optimization, and in that we have seen meta description tag and image tag with all attribute in detail. Now the second one is your SEO keywords. Now we are going to learn this in detail now. Okay, now what is SEO keyword? SEO keywords are also called as keywords or phrases. Keywords or key phrases, we can say. Hearing, students? And it is related to the developed website content. It is related to developed, which we have already developed, students, which we have already created. Website content. Now there is a list of keywords, students, and from those keywords we have to choose the proper keywords so as to boost our on-page SEO, we can say, because these keywords are very important to have the organic traffic. Okay. SEO keywords are the terms added to online content. You have to remember that, students, that SEO keywords are the terms added to online content in order to improve search ranking in SEO. Okay students, so we are going to see few examples also, but remember, students, that keywords have to be used very properly. Okay, because keywords plays an important role, okay, to boost the search of your website. Now the list of keywords which has to be carefully chosen. In that we have to see keyword research and analysis. Keyword research and analysis is an important part of SEO, that is your search engine optimization, as well as your SEM. What is SEM, students? Search engine marketing. This we are going to study in detail, students, SEO and SEM. Okay, because this is the topic we are going to study today in our lecture. Okay, now search engine marketing and SEO. Search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing, you can say. Search engine marketing, SEM, is a form of internet marketing. That involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility. Okay, students, you have to remember this, students, that it involves the promotion of your website. To increase the visibility, or we can say the number of visitors should visit to your website. Okay, and it is, as it increases the visibility in search engine, it results in pages of more number of rankings, primarily through paid advertising. Okay, when we talk about SEM, students, SEO basically we can have the paid and paid, but when we talk about SEM is mostly deals with paid advertisement. Okay, students, so again I'm repeating that search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engines, which results pages primarily through paid advertising. And SEO is mainly a component of SEM. Very important point, students, you have to remember this, that SEO is mainly a component of SEM. That means SEM, we can say that SEM is an organization and SEO is a part of that organization. Okay, so it means that SEM is very important. SEM is the process of gaining website traffic by purchasing ads on search engines. Now, very important thing, students, that SEO basically deals with paid ads. Okay, so that you can have more number of visitors to your page, so that you can improve the search ranking of your page. So SEM is the process of gaining website traffic. Okay, SEM is the process of gaining website traffic by purchasing ads on search engines. And basically, students, the very famous, very popular search engine, you know that it is the Google search engine. So Google also provides with paid ads. Okay, paid ads. Okay, so there are various online keywords planners tools. Now keywords, as we had seen students, that keywords are very important. Okay, so to attract the visitors, to attract the users to your web page or the website. Now the various online keyword planners tools, and that we have one very important tool, that is the Google AdWords keyword. Very important tool, students. Okay, here we have to purchase the ads on search engines. Okay, and as we use this Google AdWords keyword, automatically our ranking increases in this search engine. Okay, students, now this is more useful to compare the cost of various keywords if the website designer opts for paid SEO. That means you can compare the cost also, students, because we are having now paid ads. So according to our requirement, according to our budget, we can compare that which type of ads to choose. Okay, so that we can have a boost to our page within the budget also, because we are going to pay now. So it's important to note that while all SEM platforms utilize a pay-per-click advertising model. Okay, students, you have to note down that SEM platform utilizes a pay per click, that is PPC advertising model. I'll show you the example, students, using the image, that how this SEO and SEM uses the Google AdWords. Okay, so that you can have high or the increased number of visitors or high search ranking in the search engine optimization. Now students, as pay per click, which is used for paid ads, not all pay per click is SEM. Again, very important point, that SEM platform utilize a pay per click advertising model, but it's not necessary that all pay per click is SEM. That is search engine marketing. Okay, students, so you have to remember this, that if you are using Google Ads keywords, SEM platform utilize a pay per click advertising model, that number of times the users are clicking on the link of your website. Okay, so the search engine, it boosts your website and increases the organic traffic using the pay per click model. Okay, students, but not all pay per click is SEM, as we have seen that SEM uses only paid ads. Okay, and SEO can be paid and paid both. So SEO is the component of SEM, students. Okay, students, so we'll just see what is Google AdWords. What is Google AdWords? Let me explain this also. Google AdWords. Now, what is Google AdWords? Google AdWords, students, are what? It is an online advertising platform developed by Google, where advertisers pay to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, video content, etc. for web users. Okay, students, what is Google AdWords? It is an online advertising platform and it is developed by Google. As the name itself shows you that it is developed by Google, because it is a Google ad. Okay, where advertisers pay to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, video content, etc. for web users. Okay, all these services. Okay, the services for users. Getting students? So these are the SEO keywords. SEO keywords are terms added to online content in order to improve search engine rankings. Okay, for those terms. For example, I have typed SEO. So whatever pages are there with the name SEO, it will be displayed. Okay, the links will be displayed according to the rankings. And with the one which is paid, it will be at the top of the page and on the first page of your web browser. Okay, students, so SEO keywords and your SEM are two very important parts of your search engine optimization, students. So search engine marketing is the main, we can say, the research and analysis, and SEO is the component of SEM. We'll just have the look of the images. Okay, I'll just show you one image. Search engine optimization, students. Just see this. Look, this is the paid ad. Look, AD is written, and this is the unpaid search result. Okay, this is basically, we can say this can be your SEO, but this one is your SEM, where AD has been written, and this is what? This is Google AdWords. That means this is the paid advertisement, students. Search engine marketing, paying to boost a website's presence in search engine. Okay, students, auto insurance. Look, auto insurance, then whatever the websites are there related to insurance or auto insurance, it will be displayed according to the rankings, and if it is paid, it will be at the top of the page. Okay, next image I'll just show you. One more image I'll show you, students. Let's see. Look here. SEM, SEO, paid search result, SEM, and this is organic search result, SEO. Look, everywhere you can find AD. That means these are the Google ads. Okay, to increase or to boost the search engine. Okay, and this is the organic search result. This is SEO. That means it can paid or unpaid. Here the title is new cars for sale. So you can see number of websites available here. Okay, with new car sales pricing, and if AD is written, so that means it is your paid ad. Okay, one more we'll just see of SEO keywords. In this way you can understand in a better way, students. Look, SEO training online. Results 1 of 10 about so many pages were there for this SEO, and in this 1 and 10, and you can see SEO training. This is unpaid, students, so here AD has not been written. Then one more, just see this one. Search engine optimization is the title or the topic. Now searches for search engine optimization results, returns results with SEO in bolded text. Look here, wherever the SEO is there, it is bolded. Okay, and these are mostly unpaid, so here you have this. Now this is the SEM. Okay, so here we are learning SEO here, so here SEM is not there only. One more thing, Google AdWords. We can see what is Google AdWords. Now just see Google Ads. Yes, students, you can see what I'm looking for. The topic is there. The Google AdWords relating to my search. Okay, See, these results are not paid for, and wherever the ad is written, that is the paid ad. Okay, so students, hope you've understood the SEO keywords and your search engine marketing. So next time we are going to start with new more subtopic of the same topic which you are learning, that is optimizing website, because as I have said that it is a lengthy topic, but so we are going to see everything in detail. So hope you've understood this SEO keywords and search engine optimization, search engine marketing, Google AdWords, and how this is used in your website. And proper choosing keywords is very important, because it will boost your search engine result. And SEM platform utilize a pay-per-click advertising model, but it's not necessary or compulsory that all pay-per-click is a search engine marketing. Okay, students, and Google AdWords is what it is all about. Google, and it is an online advertising platform which provides different services for users. It can be anything, even the video content or different types of services. Hope you have understood this topic. So hope to see you soon, inshallah, in next lecture. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.